Also tonight, a 6 schools shut down. Tonight, there's more than just one illness floating through St. Joseph's School in Meriden that's forced it to close for the rest of the week. Dozens of kids and staff members have gotten sick.
And the only way to keep the problem from spreading is to keep everyone out and disinfect the building from top to bottom. NBC Connecticut's Jamie Ratliff live in Meriden with more. Jamie.
Keisha, Jerry, this was certainly a last resort, but the principal says that it became somewhat of a cycle of illness where a student would come to school, get sick, go home, eventually come back and either get other kids sick or become sick once again. So eventually the Meriden Health Department stepped in and recommended that they temporarily shut down.
Confirmed cases of strep, confirmed cases of pneumonia, and confirmed cases of the flu.
For more than a week, St. Joseph's School in Meriden has been fighting a losing battle. At one point, at least 25% of students and staff were out sick. Parent Lisa Suzio says her son has missed several days.
My son had the flu. We got him recouped off the flu after missing a week of school. Sent him back in, and now he's home with strep.
Principal Catherine Sniffen says they've done everything they can, diligently disinfecting, watching students for symptoms, and reminding them about hygiene.
We've been talking to them about covering their sneezes and washing their hands.
After remaining in close contact with Meriden's health department, the agency finally recommended the school close for 3 days. But St. Joseph isn't the only school seeing students out sick.
Our nurse was filling it in another school. She said they sent 75 children home. But their school is larger, so their percentage is not as high.
The city health department says other schools in the area are seeing similar symptoms. Meriden superintendent of schools says they haven't had any major issues that would force them to close a school, but have stepped up cleaning. And hospitals across the state are seeing increased cases of the flu, too.
The classic symptoms of influenza is fairly sudden onset of a fever, maybe some chilly sensations, muscle aches, and then a largely non-productive cough.
Dr. Joseph Garner, chief of medicine with the Hospital of Central Connecticut and New Britain, says once symptoms have subsided, it's safe to head back to school or work. And Sniffen says they want to make sure everyone comes back healthy.
We really want them to be in school if they're healthy. If they're not quite there yet, they need to stay home.
Now, St. Joseph's School is scheduled to reopen on Monday. Those 3 missed school days, well, those will be made up at the end of the school year. In the meantime, they will continue to disinfect this school. We're live in Meriden tonight. Jamie Ratliff, NBC Connecticut News. Keisha.